transformer coupled amplifier. In this amplifier, we are connecting the one stage amplifier output to the second stage amplifier by using a transformer. That's why it is called as transformer coupled amplifier. The operation of every element, every component we have discussed in the RC coupled amplifier. R1 and R2 are used for biasing. R1 and R2 are forming here self bias. The capacitor Cin is used to couple the input signal to the base of the transistor. It clamps the DC, it adds the AC to the DC. And RE is used for stabilization. CE is used to bypass the alternating output, alternating voltage, to bypass the alternating voltage and to short the output AC. We are using the CE. Whatever the output we are receiving at the emitter, in that emitter output, the DC will be flown through the RE and the AC is sent to the capacitor. It provides the low reactance path only for the AC. Because of this factor, the output voltage, the gain what we are getting at the collector is incrementing. And when we are using this transformer, this is iron core transformer. This is isolation transformer. Here this transformer primary coil is connected between the transistor collector and the supply, and the secondary winding of the transformer is connected to the base of the transistor, and another wire of the secondary winding is connected to the potential divider circuit R1 and R2. This acts like an isolation transformer and it sends only the amplified AC signal. This transformer is not allowing the DC. So it provides the isolation to the DC. Previously in the RC coupled amplifier, the same work was done by the CC, coupling capacitor. But now this transformer is doing that work, and the amplified AC signal of first stage will be given to the base of the second transistor, and similarly we are receiving the output at the secondary winding of the transformer. This circuit has advantage, it gives the more gain, and in the terms of the voltage and power. When we want to get the more voltage gain and power gain, we will go for the transformer coupled amplifier. And there is no concept of loading effect. The RC in the previous case, the collector resistance RC is affecting the R1. It is changing the biasing condition, but here there is no such concept. Because the inductor itself has zero resistance theoretically. Practically, if we take the resistance, that resistance may be in the range of the few ohms.